Just wanted to share this Amazon knife that I got. Probably the best $25 knife that I have purchased to date. It's Slice Elite, and it's the El Captain D2 steel, G10 handle, button lock, smooth action. It's a little heavy. I think it's like around 118 grams. But the detent is really strong too. Uh, so love a good strong detent. But very good feel, good ergonomics. Um, Button is a little sticky. That time it didn't stick at all, so I'm sure it just needs to be worked in a little bit. But for $25, there is no complaints. Perfectly center. Razor sharp, hair popping sharp out of the box. Probably one of the sharpest knives I got from the factory. I read it has a 14-degree edge bevel. They sharpened it to 14 degrees, so but it is razor sharp. So yeah, 3.5-inch blade. Amazon, 25 bucks. I think it's on sale, 25% off. Again, that's Slice Elite El Captain.